Forgot your Grok AI password? No worries. Here's how you can easily reset it and get back in. Let's get right into the video. First, go to Grok AI login page and click on Forgot Password underneath the login fields. Type in the email address that is linked to your Grok account and then hit Send Reset link. Take your inbox to Grok's password reset email, click the link, then set your new password. And that's it. Your Grok AI password is now updated. Easy and secure. Grok AI isn't just another chatbot. It's designed to stay current with what's trending, answer with personality, and even help you draft tweets or analyze posts on the fly. It's AI with an extra attitude. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.